Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to post Shopify blog to Facebook page. Suppose you want that as soon as a new blog is posted on your Shopify store related to any particular product or a trend, you want that same blog should also be posted in a form of a new post in your Facebook page. So how you are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that you will have to integrate Shopify with Facebook page, and to do the same we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Shopify in our trigger and Facebook page in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that as soon as a new blog will be posted on your Shopify store, soon and automatically it is going to be posted on your Facebook page. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically post our Shopify blog on Facebook page. Okay. So let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow of this automation, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will be provided with 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. This is the all app section of Pabbly. Here we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here we can find all our workflows, and to create a new workflow we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner on our dashboard. Okay, let's click on it, and here it is asking us for two details. We have to give the name to our workflow. So let us give a random name. So I have given this name, share Shopify blogs on Facebook page automatically. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow. You can give any name to your workflow according to your choice. Okay, and here it is asking one more thing, where we want to save our workflow. So we have to select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So I want to save my workflow in home. So I have selected home in the folder. Now let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is a trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Basically, this automation runs on two principles, trigger and action. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action follows what the trigger says. Therefore, we can have multiple actions, but we can have only one trigger in any workflow. Okay, so let's understand trigger and action with the example of this workflow. Here we are going to take Shopify in our trigger and Facebook in our action, and we want that automatically when we create a blog on Shopify, that should be shared on our Facebook page. Okay, so for this automation we have to connect Shopify with Facebook, and to do that we are going to create this workflow. Okay, so let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application, which is Shopify. Let's select it, and now we will select our trigger event. So in our trigger event we have to select new blog entry. Done. So in order to connect Shopify account with Pabbly Connect, let's click on this connect button, and here it is asking us for two options, add new connection or select existing connection. So if you have already built a connection with Shopify, you can go with the existing connection. Here I'm going with add new connection to build a fresh connection with Shopify account. Okay, so as soon as we click on add new connection, we can find that we have to enter two details over here. First is the admin API access token, and the next is enter subdomain. So from where we are going to find this subdomain? For that we have to go on our Shopify store. In our URL in Shopify account, we will find that before myshopify.com, this is our subdomain. Okay, so let me take you to my Shopify store. So this is the store, and here this is the URL of the store, and before myshopify.com, this is the subdomain I have. I will copy it and paste it over here. So in the same manner, you have to find your subdomain from your Shopify store under URL. Okay, so before myshopify.com, this will be your subdomain. Okay, now let us move towards admin API access token. How we are going to get it? For that we will have to develop and install an app in Shopify account. Okay, so let me again take you to my Shopify account, and I will tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. This is my Shopify account, and under that we have to go on settings section in order to get the API access token. So after coming on settings section, we can find the option of apps and sales channels. So let's select it, and here we have to go on the option develop apps. After coming on it, we can find the option of create an app. Let's click on it, and here we have to enter a name for our new app. So here I'm going to enter the name as new blog. Okay, just a random name which comes into my mind. You can give any name to your app. Now after giving the name, let's click on create app, and here our app is ready. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to set configuration for this app. Okay, so for that we have to go on configuration option, and then we will go on admin API integration. So we are creating this application here in Shopify account, so that in order to generate the API access token for connecting this Shopify account with Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new blog will be created in our Shopify store, the response could be automatically shared with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for that, here from the given options, we have to go on the content section. Let us search content here. Okay, so this is the content, store content. And here we have to check these two boxes, write content and read content. Okay, so basically we are giving the right to view or manage our articles or blogs, okay, comments, pages and redirect. So basically we have selected both these boxes, and by selecting these boxes we have given the right to manage our articles and blogs, so that Shopify could share the blogs which we create in Shopify store to Pabbly Connect in response. Okay, so we have so after selecting these boxes, let's click on save, and our configuration is saved. Now the next step is that we have to go on API credentials. So here, to get the API credential, we have to first install this app which we have recently created. Let's click on install, and the app is installed, and with this we can find that our API access token is also generated. Let's click on reveal token once, and then we will copy this token and we will paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, done. Click on save. So our Shopify account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, you have to generate your API access token in order to connect Shopify account with Pabbly Connect by creating and installing the app. Okay, so after making the connection, we have to select the blog ID. So I have 3 IDs here: fashion, integration and automation, and news. So here I want that whenever a new blog will be created in this fashion ID, then I want the response here in Pabbly Connect. So I have selected it. Okay, you can also select in the same manner the blog ID. Let's click on save and send test request, and we have received the response. So basically the polling time of Shopify is 8 hours. So we have received the response of the blog which was recently created within 8 hours. Okay, so here Shopify is going to check for new response in every 8 hours and will send the response automatically. So now let me take you to my Shopify account again. And here, after coming on home, I will take you to online store. So this is my online store, and under that we have to go on blog post. Okay, so these are all the blogs which I have created. So in the fashion group, I have created the street style trends for summer, and this is the latest blog which I have created within 8 hours, and the same response is received in Pabbly Connect. Okay, street style trends for summer. So I am going to share this blog only with Facebook page. We can also create a new blog post by clicking on this add blog post button. Okay, so for now, in order to show you the response, I am going to use this blog only, and we have already received the response of this blog. So by using this response, now we are going to share this blog on Facebook page. Okay, so let's select our action application, and it is going to be Facebook pages. And in our action event, we will select create page post. Okay, click on connect, and from the given options, I will go with add new connection, and here we have to click on connect with Facebook pages. Let's select the account, and our authorization is automatically successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, so Pabbly Connect has already deducted it, and it is connected very easily. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on, and here we have to select the page in which we want to create the post. Okay, for that let me take you to my Facebook account, and here we have the option of several pages: art, stationery, test page, integration page and Pabbly. So I want to share the Shopify blog on this Pabbly page. Okay, so let me open it, and now I'm going to select the same page in Pabbly Connect also. Okay, done. Now here we have to enter the message which we want to share in the form of a post. So what we want to share this blog which we have received from Shopify response to Facebook page. So this is going to be our message. So same response we are going to map here by using our previous step like this, and this is the body, that is this is the message. We have selected it and it is mapped. So now because we have mapped this data instead of entering it manually, therefore now every time a new response will be captured in Pabbly Connect, that is whenever a new blog will be created in fashion page on Shopify store and the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically this field is going to be changed with a new blog. Okay, so therefore we have used mapping. But in case if we will enter this data manually, then it will become static and it will not change with every new response. Therefore, whenever we want that the data should change with new response, there we have to use mapping. Okay, so mapping is very important step of this automation. So we have mapped the message. If you want to share an image also with this blog, you can attach the link URL of the same image. Here I do not want to share an image, so I am ignoring it for now. Okay, so let's click on save and send test request, and we have received the response along with the post ID. That means this post is created in Facebook page. Let's go and check. Let me take you to my Facebook account, and this is the page Pabbly. Let us refresh this once, and we can find that yes, automatically the post is created over here and the same blog which we have received through Shopify response is shared over here. Okay, so this means our workflow is perfectly successful. Now let's go back and summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken only two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Shopify, and in action we have taken Facebook pages. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new blog will be created in Shopify, automatically the response of the same blog will be captured here in Pabbly Connect and it will be shared automatically in the form of a post in Facebook page. So these are the easy steps which we have to follow in order to integrate both these applications to create this automation. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.